we start with this. So here I think that we need to use this, but we need to find also some seal. Like this. You have to attention. You need to use this seal. So I have to tighten it and put inside. See? And now like this. Now it is okay. I need to use this. So this plastic together with this, and then use this. Like this. Okay, now input inside. And at the top is going this. Now you need to return it like this and make this. This. Okay, like this. With this, and we need close this. Again we need this and seal, and we can move it. You can also prepare seal for this. Okay. Okay, it's ready. It's prepared. Now we need to use this scent, but just for this high. Okay, filter scent is inside. We can open this. And input this. The best way is return it in the same way, like this. Okay, right now we need to use this. Also here. I need to use this screw here and here. Okay, so like this. Okay, this one is okay. The second one. Okay, skip very well. Okay, we need to use this. also this cell right here. And prepare this and like this. Right now, second one. So second one is the same. Just input here the seal and this. This just similar like here. So this. So you need to open this screw and make this. Prečo, čo zase? Okay, next part. Just sealing. And this. Okay, again. Now this. Okay, ready for using. Okay, next is this. So first seal. Then this. Okay. Okay, now this seal and this. Okay. Now there here is input and here is output, input.